Hi everyone, Wandering Trader, your quick take, low budget trading nomad. Back again with another portfolio update for the week. So far, we are making some progress. We've made some deposits and also we are growing this account. So as you know, I'm at 5,000 in Wish, 5,000 SOFI, and I had to roll some of this out. If you haven't checked out my new video, my dividend stuff, if you're interested in that, you can check that out. Aside from that, let's move in and let's see what happened throughout the week. So we are in the green with SoFi. In the course of a week, we have written over here 50 contracts put on Wish. We are trying to build out a position right now. I see value in this company. I've written my thesis over here. Not profitable, meanness, high competition, interest rate, foreign currency, no mo, financials, trading sideways. I have to revise the all-time low. I believe it's like 580 now. Insider selling. So we have price target 1 year, 9.8 to 11.5. Some other trades that happened that I made. SoFi, I had the 50 contracts. I had to roll this out. So I've gotten peanuts. And there was a big catalyst, and I had to roll it out for next week. So if it touches my strike from 17 to 1750, that would be 2,500 additional profits with the 350 premium on top. So if it happens, if I lose it, that's fine. So I've written some some Wish. So let's take a look at some of my cost bases. Right now, my SoFi cost basis is 1346. So if I get a call away at 1750 with the premiums, I mean, this is basically a 20K plus trade for when was this? August. When did I start this? Almost 6 weeks, 7 weeks. All right, let's take a look at my Wish since I'm building out this position. And this is gonna be my next concentration play. So we are at 673 and we are trying to reduce this and also trying to gauge and move it into the quarter. So some of the analysis, let's take a look real quick up the chart. So this is the 5-day on Wish. All right, it has been severely beaten. Fed meeting, market downturn. So let's take a look. Let's see what happened in the 20 days. So I've been taking assignment over here and I've been writing it out. And overall, let's expand it out. Let's see what we are working with. So I'm playing around over here. I see value over here. And I am going to try to build this one out. Let's take a look at the SoFi real quick. So I've written a cover call around here, 17. It actually passed. I rolled it out for next week. Important catalyst. I have 5,000 share of that. So let's see how this played out in the last. So we're playing it around here. Let's take a look at some of the thesis right now. So far, I had an additional 5,000 shares called away. So we had talking about trading 10 to 12x revenue, fares 12, 14. But with the updates in the last couple of weeks, Jeffries updated this, gave it an upgrade, 25 buy. Mizo price target on 914, gave it a 28 buy. I believe Credit Suisse gave it a 1650. So these are the updates within the month. Regarding Wish, I'm trying to build this one out. So we are going to be writing cover calls on that, and we're going to try to lower our cost basis. I'm gonna do 750 because I want some upside. I'm flush with cash right now. I have maybe like almost 60% of my portfolio is in cash. So some of my so what we're trying to do is basically swing it for the quarter. If not, then I'll play 2 quarters. But we have some position. We have, we're flush with cash. We have something we're moving towards. It's pretty low. It's beaten up, and I believe that with progress, the management can turn it around. And if you want to take it on an MMA route, we are talking about a $3 billion what, 3.4 now, $3.6 billion market cap. So easily, I mean, one of the big players could easily take a big stake and install board members, install management. I don't know the managerial structure per se and how insulated they are, but definitely this is a ripe candidate for there you go. All right, so we have also, aside from that, last week we have been playing Baba as well. It has been beaten with the Evergrande news, with the Chinese slowdown, and also the big downturn come with the divestment of the media company. So I've written, with this big drop over here, I've written 135 midweek. So 135, I got, some peanuts, but I was willing to take it. I see this as a great entry point. Aside from that, this type of company, since it's been severely beaten, there's still value. They're still generating money and stuff. They're not going to be growing because of as fast with the clampdown, but this could easily be a 15% return year over year for the next 5 years, guaranteed. Some of this I try to pick up peanuts. So 145, this was the day before. It was 4 contracts. I got nothing, but I was trying to get it. I almost got it, and I would have swung this up to at least 155, I believe. This would have been a $4,000 profit in a week. So I was anticipating that. It didn't happen. They didn't exercise me. But it's fine. These are some of the plays. I want to pull up and share some of my screenshots so you have an idea of where we are at. This is a relatively small sample size. This type of position cost distribution, this is purely, I believe, in the webull brokerage. So 145, Alibaba. We are at an all-time low over here. You see this? Where it closed out and where the average is and where the concentration is. And let's take a look at SOFI. This is, the average is 16. So if it regress to the mean to like around 1650 or 17, then I'll get to keep my shares and I get to play again. But it's about 65% that I'm losing it next week if it maintains its course, which is fine. Wish, it closed at around 6. The average is 726. My cost basis is 670 something, I believe. So I'm going to be writing up here. I'm going to try to play this one out. So some of my plays for next week would be, I'm going to be playing Baba for sure. So Baba, I'm going to be playing around the 135. I want some, I want to get in. I want more upside than downside. So 135, if it happens, if I get it, I'll get it. It's not a big deal. If not, that's fine. But that's the price I feel comfortable with when you factor in the sentiment and stuff like that at the moment. Wish I am going to write it around 750. So I'm being patient with this. I could write it at 7 and right now and lean into it, but I'm gonna not be. It's gonna be like a waste of time. I might as well try to get the additional cash. So I'm patient with this. I'm gonna play it out. I'm gonna ride this one out. This one is pretty volatile. So we have the volume open interest. So 750, I'm gonna play it. I'm also gonna write some cash secure put. I might do 6. It depends. I'm trying to, because if I get the assignment at 6 with the premium, my cost basis will be brought down to about like 620, 630, and my average would be like 650. So then I could be concentrating 100 contracts on the upside, and that's where I'm going to be making my 10K, 20K profit, and that's something I could look forward to. But if it's red on Monday and stuff like that, I'll try to get it at 550. I'll write some cash secure put. So we're being patient. We're using options for our entry and exit. There's some timing involved, but there is some type of calculated precision where we're trying to get in, so we don't get eviscerated. So let's take a look at SOFI. As I said, I'm in the money at the moment, so I wrote the contract for next week, 1750. I'm in the money right now. It's fine. If I get it called away, I'll realize the profit. If not, that's fine. I'm not going to write any more cash secure puts right now. I'm going to try to focus on my wish position, build that one out. So I've written out what I want to play for next week, Baba and Wish, and I'm trying to build this one out. This one might take a couple of weeks, or it might at least maybe 6-7 weeks to actually pay out, but I'm trying to get at least 10-20K on the Wish. The Baba, I'm actually trying to get entry, but we are here. This is the progress so far. Not too bad, and we are going to be building this out into the next quarter. So thanks again. Take care. And if you like this type of content, like and subscribe, share.